Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Docs file. So on your mobile, go to the Google Docs app and then click on the file that you want to share. For example, I want to share this one, and then click on share menu here, the people and plus icon, and type in the email of the people or groups that you want to share the file with. For example, this one, and then click on the send icon, and you can also add a message into to notify the person that you want to share this file with. Click on this. Okay, and if you want to add another person, you can also click on this, and as you can see, this is the people that has access into the file. You can also adjust the change the what people can do to your file by clicking this. You can choose as an editor, commenter, or viewer only. Okay, click on this to add more people and share your file with others. Okay, you can just go back. Okay, so that is how you can share your Google Docs file on your mobile phone. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and also leave a comment and subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.